I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for a moment of silence for our country, please. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We will open the floor.
That's Stephen first.
Oh, we do have employee recognitions this morning. And it looks like Stephen Janowski's the only one here. So we have Stephen Janowski, Director of IT and GIS Coordinator with 5 years of service to the county. Thank you, Stephen.
Thank you, Stephen.
Thanks, you, sir.
Thank you. Being proud to work with you, Stephen. Thank you.
Thanks.
Then we also have Ian Smith with 10 years of service and Theodore Norton with 10 years. Both of these gentlemen work down at our jail, and we'll make sure that they get those. Thank you for their service. We will open the floor for public comment on agenda and non-agenda items. Yes, Bill?
A few years ago, we were talking about the old jail quite a bit. Haven't heard anything about it in a long while.
Still standing.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Why what?
Why it's still standing?
Why it's still, no.
By
No, I'm not
the
saying
grace
it
of
should be
God.
good. Huh?
Yeah, by the grace of God, it's still
Yeah.
standing.
In the fall, we took some, we actually did some things within the jail to make sure that it was better preserved. Some of the things that we did were cover the
windows.
windows, cleaned out some of the areas so that it was safe and protected and no birds were getting in there. So that was done in, I want to say September, was it? September or
Yeah.
October? Because there
So
were
it's
birds
not
getting in
just-
there and all that stuff we don't want happening. So we took the measures needed to make sure that everything was protected and
Are we using it for anything now, storage or anything? Nothing?
Minimal storage downstairs in the maintenance portion, that's it.
Yeah, it'd be a shame to pour a lot of money into it, but it'd also be a shame to see it fall
You
down.
ain't got enough money to pour into it.
Yeah, that's the problem.
But we didn't
Okay.
want any further damage to it, so we did what we could to make sure that
Okay.
that didn't happen.
One other question, there's a bike route being planned for the 4 counties, are the commissioners involved in that at all?
There's a what?
A bike route?
No,
No.
we're not involved in that.
Okay, just curious.
I am too now, that sounds
There's
interesting.
ain't enough room on the roads to drive your car, let alone have a bike.
No, seriously.
Well, I talked about using the dirt roads primarily,
Well,
and the commissioner from Sullivan County, Donna, I'm not sure.
I
I
know,
know.
yeah, she's very involved in it, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's pushing it, I guess.
She's a
Sounds
biker.
like a good
She bikes,
idea.
she bikes
If-
bicycles.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
does quite a bit.
Anything else?
No?
I'd like to address last week's, or the 2 weeks ago, meeting where Auditor Amy brought up the issue that hadn't really been taken care of yet. We'd asked about it several times in the past. And I'd like to know if you have done anything to make sure that he does have the legal representation that he needs to move forward.
The auditors will handle that. Yes.
The auditors can't handle the legal representation.
They
You
have an
to
attorney,
approve.
they have Michael Brickley, that is the attorney that they retain. And he
You have
can,
to approve the funds to pay that, correct?
he can do his job under the retainer that has already been approved. Anything else?
I'd also like to address one other thing.
We just called on Stacy.
Went to the,
We had
I'm
called
sorry.
on Stacy. Go ahead, Stacy.
I see number 14 on the agenda. We have someone being hired for the Director of Planning position.
Yes?
Does that person, there's been a lot of turnover in the office in the past year, and does that person have experience with the county saldo, with the, or from either the municipal level or the comprehensive plan? Like, how do we know that we're going to possibly maybe have some stability in what was once one stable?
Well, she was interviewed and she was hired, so apparently the people that hired her felt that she was capable of doing the job. The commissioners were not involved in that. We have a chief clerk and an HR director. Anything else? Yes.
Yeah, we were at the New Milford,
Festival.
this last
Mhm.
weekend, the festival. And we had a lot of people that came from the Tick-Borne Disease Task Force asking if things were true. One thing that they inquired about was, is Susquehanna County really the top infected or new case reporting county in the area? And I'm kind of wondering where you got your information to tell them.
Well,
that.
are we? Are we, Colleen?
I'm asking you. You told me.
Last I
that
knew,
that's
they were. Last I knew that.
Susquehanna
Am I
County.
wrong?
I believe you are right.
Okay, well, thank you. So who is? Where are we in the lineup then?
We're like number 8 or number 9. the last
Okay,
I-
well, that's
but that was
good news.
2018 information.
Okay.
We're not able to get that from CDC, but I know you have contacts at
Mhm.
the health department, and I would like you to, make some kind of a public poster statement that says where Susquehanna County actually does stand.
Okay. Thank you.
Um,
Your booth looked very nice, by the way.
Thank you.
I would also like to note too, that we never want what you provide, which is a wonderful service, and what we provide to be a competition. We need to be working together. There's a lot of people we need to reach. So absolutely, we want to accept any feedback you have, but remember, this isn't a competition. This is us hopefully figuring out a way to work together to get this
Thank
information
you. I've
out.
never made it a competition. I agree and I compliment that comment.
Yes.
The other question was, geez, now I can't remember what it was.
Maybe it'll come to you later.
I'm sorry, yeah.
All right, is there anything else?
One more thing. So the county recently settled one of the long-standing lawsuits, and I wondered, I was looking, I printed out the paperwork on it earlier. I just wondered if there was any comment, I mean, it's been ongoing for 4 years, any comment on that, or do we expect our, the county's insurance
They handled that.
prices to rise?
No, I don't expect that, but they handled that, and we're really not allowed to talk about that, Stacy. Maybe someday I can write a book about it. That'd be great, when I'm not a commissioner anymore. I could write a book about a lot of stuff, actually. Yep, planning on it. Anything else? Can we start our meeting?
Motion to close public comment.
I have a
I
motion,
will second that.
I have a motion to close public comment by Commissioner Hall at 9:07, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve item 2.
I'll second that.
I have a motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the minutes of the May 26, 2021 Commissioners Meeting, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve item 3.
I will second that.
I have a motion by Commissioner Hall to recess the Commissioners Meeting and open the Salary Board at 9:07 a.m., seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Salary Board meeting opens at 9:08. Public comment on the agenda items. Yes, Stacy.
Is this the first time we've brought on a paid intern for the Public Defender's Office?
No, I do not believe it is. Nope,
First one we had was last year.
there you go. And it's also not the first time we brought on people to help with doe permits. That's something that we do every year.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Anything else?
Motion to close public comment.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to close public comment at 9:08, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye. Aye. Number 2.
Motion to approve item 2.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the minutes of the May 26, 2021 Salary Board meeting, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve item 3.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to create the position of the summer intern with a total of 360 hours at the rate of $17 per hour, effective summer of 2021, with the eligible work from June through August, per the recommendation of Public Defender Linda LaBarbera. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
I'll make a motion to approve item number 4.
Motion by Treasurer Hall to set the salary of the two temporary.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, well, go ahead.
Treasurer Miller.
How about
Treasurer
Treasurer
Miller.
Miller?
Oh, I'm sorry, what did I say?
Paul.
Treasurer Hall. You changed
And I'll
titles.
second that too.
All right, motion by Treasurer Miller to set the salary of two temporary part-time, non-union clerical positions for tow permits for $10.25 per hour, effective June 10th, 2021, per the recommendation of Jason Miller, Treasurer. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Sorry, Jason.
Motion approved item 5.
I'll second that.
Motion to close the salary board meeting at 9:09 by Commissioner Hall, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
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 Motion to approve item 4.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the bills, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve item 5.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve entering into agreements with the Lackawanna Susquehanna Behavioral Health Intellectual Disabilities Early Intervention Program per the attached schedule, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve item 6.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to sign the Act 101, Section 902 Recycling Development and Implementation Grant Agreement with DEP for the amount of $229,803, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 7.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve entering into a contract with Time Clock Plus, Denver, Colorado, for software support and maintenance for time and attendance software at a cost of $579.83 for 90 days, effective June 11th, 2021. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 8.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the following Tax Claim Bureau exoneration requests, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 9.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to advertise the request for proposals for capacity agreements for solid waste. Nestor Resources will be handling the bid process, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
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 Motion to approve 10.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to reappoint or appoint the following individuals to the Northern Tier Regional Planning Development Commission Advisory Committees, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 11.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to enter into agreement to participate in the Pennsylvania Medical Assistance Transportation Program effective July 1st, 2021 through June 30th, 2022. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve item 12.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve entering into agreement with the Lackawanna Susquehanna Office of Drug and Alcohol Programs for services per the attached schedule for the fiscal year of 2021-2022. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye. Aye.
Motion to approve 13.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to enter into a purchase of service agreement between Susquehanna County Children and Youth Services and Concerned Professional Services for Children, Youth, and Families, Fleetwood, Pennsylvania. For services as outlined on Schedule F attached, effective July 1st, 2021 through June 30th, 2022. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
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 Motion to approve 14.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the hiring of Patty Pultz, Hartford, to the open full-time non-union position of Director of Planning, $43,000 per year, effective June 21st, 2021, with a 6-month probationary period and benefits according to the county policy manual and government mandated requirements, per the recommendation of Rebecca Hubbard, Chief Clerk. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 15.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to ratify and approve the hiring of Olivia Hughes, Montrose, to the open part-time union-eligible position of Corrections Officer, $16.35 per hour, effective June 1st, 2021, with a 6-month probationary period and benefits according to the jail bargaining unit and the county policy manual, per the recommendation of Warden Bruce Hall. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 16.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the hiring of Jeffrey Hughes, New Milford, to the open full-time union-eligible position of recycling technician, $12.02 per hour, 40 hours a week, effective June 21st, 2021, per the recommendation of recycling coordinator Jennifer Hibbard. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
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 Motion to approve 17.
You didn't say aye.
Aye.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the hiring of Todd Greenwood, Dimick, to the open full-time non-union position of 911 EMA Systems Technician, $17.31 per hour, 40 hours a week, with a 6-month probationary period and benefits according to the county policy manual
And I'll second that too.
and government mandated requirements, per the recommendation of Bradley Ellsworth, Director of 911. I have a second by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
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 Motion to approve 18.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to acknowledge the hiring of Sierra Grant of Rush to the open temporary part-time, non-union clerical position of doe permits, $10.25 per hour, effective July 12th, 2021, until the 2021 doe permits are finished, per the recommendation of Jason Miller, Treasurer, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Motion to approve 19.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to acknowledge hiring of Lauren Dick Hartford to the open temporary part-time non-union clerical position for doe permits, $10.25 per hour, effective July 12th, 2021, until the 2021 doe permits are finished, per the recommendation of Jason Miller, Treasurer. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to close the meeting.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to close the Commissioners' meeting at 9:15 a.m. All in favor, say aye. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye. Aye.
Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you.